How Bezalel's skill shows what adept really means. Hey, it's me. Today, I'm unpacking one small word with a big life: adept. Adept means highly skilled or proficient at something. Not just good, dialed in, practiced, dependable. And yeah, you've probably heard it used for gamers, coders, chefs, athletes. But there's a deeper layer to it. Define. Being adept isn't about being born with magic hands. Repeated reps, focused attention, a heart that cares about the outcome. It's skill fused with purpose. If talent is the spark, adeptness is the fire you build, log by log. Story. Let me bring you into one of my favorite moments from the book of Exodus. There's this artisan named Bezalel. He's not a king, not a warrior, he's a craftsman. The story says he's filled with the Spirit of God, wise, understanding, knowledgeable. He's chosen to lead the building of the tabernacle, this portable sanctuary for a people on the move. Bezalel works with gold, silver, bronze. He carves wood, cuts stones, weaves fabrics, intricate patterns, beautiful details, nothing sloppy. Here's what hits me. His craft isn't just art for art's sake, it's service. His skill creates a space where people meet God. Focus, identity, hope. His adeptness blesses others. Apply. So what does that mean for me and for you today? Skill is more than a flex, it's a responsibility. If I've got ability, I've also got a calling to use it well. 3 quick moves to level up from good to adept. Number 1, define your why. Who benefits when I get better? A client, a neighbor, a classroom, a kid who needs a role model. Purpose sharpens practice. Number 2, practice with feedback. Bezalel didn't build alone, there were other skilled workers. Find your crew, record yourself, review the tape, ask for critique, measure what matters. Adept isn't I tried, it's I tested, tuned, and tried again. Number 3, teach as you learn. A wild thing happens when you explain your craft. Your gaps show up, and so does your growth. Mentoring multiplies skill and keeps your ego in check. Now maybe you're thinking, I'm not an artist. Cool. Are you a nurse, a barista, a parent, a coder, a teammate? Adept is a posture. It's small excellence, repeated daily.